How many times have you stopped yourself from doing something that you wanted to do just because you're afraid of what other people will think of you? Do you just want to walk inside a room and everyone knows that you couldn't care less about their opinions? Well, since this is godly energy, we don't have bullshit intros here. Let's get straight into it. The most simple trick to remember about not giving a fuck about what other people think is to realize that nobody actually gives a fuck about you. You're not some famous pop star where people will literally sell your blood for millions of dollars and track down your exact movements. Fuck no. You're just a regular human being, and so are other people in the room. Can you think of the last time your best friend or some random acquaintance did something embarrassing? No. Well, I don't, and so do many people around the world. So if you do keep track of other people's embarrassing moments, then get a life. I'm not trying to be a bad guy here, but the simple fact is you're spending way too much time caring about what other people are doing. You should be focusing on yourself. You shouldn't give a damn about what other people think because they just don't care. When someone judges your actions, it might be funny in the moment, but no one's really gonna bring it up ever again. That is because they don't care. People are too busy in their own thoughts and life to care about you accidentally walking the wrong way and having to go back to the same direction or spilling a cup of coffee by accident. Even if everyone do notice you did something embarrassing, you shouldn't care about their opinions either. Do not stop yourself from doing something just because there's a chance you might get embarrassed. Even if you do get embarrassed or something bad happens, everyone's going to forget it the next hour. For example, if your neighbor's walking down the street and hit a metal pole by accident, you're not going to remember that for the rest of your life. After an hour or so, you have already forgotten all about it. Whenever you're caring about what other people think, they won't remember it. No one is that invested in your life to remember all your embarrassing moments. Become confident in yourself. I have this video on how to become more confident linked in the description if you want to become more confident. Having confidence in yourself will have an impact in not giving a frick about what other people think. It's simply being confident in your own actions. Well, this is Godly Energy. Make sure to subscribe and like so you can become a sexy beast like I, Godly Energy. And hit the notification bell so you can stay tuned for all my videos, since it really motivates me if you subscribe and I can see that I'm impacting people's lives every single day.